Good morning, students. Once again, we are here to discuss worksheet 24 from DOE, scheduled 28th August 2020 from your chapter, The Fundamental Unit of Life. Today, we will discuss Golgi apparatus and lysosome. Gyan asked, how does Golgi apparatus look like and what is its function in the cell? Jigyasa Didi replied, Golgi apparatus is the cell organelle that consists of a network of membrane bound vesicles arranged parallel to each other in stacks called cisternae. Right? See, I'll show you this diagram. Just wait, I'll show you this diagram in see this. Okay, and I will definitely draw it for you like this. It is just like this. See, I'm trying to okay, see this. It is very difficult from this to draw it. See, they all are parallel. Okay, and this, see this, and yeah, these are the vesicles scattered here and there. So this is the way you can draw it, and this arrangement is known as cisternae. Okay, so we can say C. It is the apparatus of the cell organ, or it is the Golgi apparatus is the cell organelle that consists of a network of membrane bound vesicles arranged parallel. Okay, and called cisternae, as I told you, and they may connect to endoplasmic reticulum. Yes, they are attached. Their concave part is attached to the endoplasmic reticulum, and the material synthesis near the endoplasmic reticulum are sent to Golgi apparatus. Whatever the material synthesis is taking place in endoplasmic reticulum, all that material sent to Golgi apparatus, where this material, mainly protein and lipid, are stored, modified, packed, and dispatched in and out of the cell through Golgi apparatus as per the need of the cell. Means what? See, this is the arrangement parallel to each other. This is the arrangement of this cell organelles, right? This cell organelle consists of the arrangement of network membranes, bound vesicles arranged in a parallel or in a or in a stakes called cisternae, and these are connected to the endoplasmic reticulum. They are connected to the endoplasmic reticulum, and whatever the material like protein and lipid which synthesized by the endoplasmic reticulum are packed, modified, and dispatched to the Golgi apparatus as per the requirement, as per the need of the cell. Now, Gyan asked, how does a cell keep itself clean from own waste? Okay, so Jigyasa Didi replied, apart from the other work, Golgi apparatus also involved in the formation of organelle called lysosome. Means Golgi apparatus is also taking part in the formation of cell organelle called lysosomes. Right? These lysosomes contain powerful digestive enzyme made by rough endoplasmic reticulum. This question arises, and one marker question arises. Where in lysosome, where the digestive enzyme is formed? Answer is rough endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, so and packed into lysosome by Golgi apparatus. These enzymes are capable enough to the breakdown or digest of the cell organelles, cell organic material. Lysosomes are the waste disposal, not disposable, waste disposal. Lysosome are the waste disposal system of the cell, means they are involved, they are help in keeping the cell clean. Okay, so the enzyme are capable enough to break down or digest all the organic material. The enzyme which formed by the lysosome, the digestive enzyme which formed by the lysosome, is capable enough to break down or digest all inorganic material. Lysosome are the waste disposal. Okay, I'm sorry, I'm repeating, waste disposal. Okay, lysosome are waste disposal system of the cell, as they digest any foreign material or worn out cell organelles to keep the cell clean. They digest all the foreign material which is not required by the cell, as well as all the ruptured, all the, I mean, worn out cell organelles, right? They digest all these kind of substances and keep the cell clean. But sometime, due to disturbance in the cellular metabolism, the cell get damaged by these lysosome, may burst, and the digestive enzymes start digesting their own cell, and that is why it is known as suicidal bag of the cell. So we can say there's a important question arises from here: why lysosome is called as suicidal bag of the cell? This is the reason why they called as, sometime due to cellular metabolism, disturbance in cellular metabolism, the cell get damaged and the lysosomes may burst and digest the enzyme, start digesting their own cells, and that is why they are called as suicidal bag. So in nutshell, we have this Golgi apparatus. It is its function is storage, modification and packaging of the substance, conversion of simple sugar to complex sugar, and store, right, because of the storage, and involved in the formation of lysosome. Whereas the function of lysosome to keep the cell clean, presence of digestive enzyme, and also called as suicidal bag. Okay, this is all about today's DOE worksheet. Let's do some practice exercise. What is the importance of Golgi apparatus? You can write from here also, you can write from here also, whatever you want to write, and form lysosome also. This is the answer of first question, whatever you want to write, either this or this. Okay, so second question, describe the structure of Golgi apparatus. This is the answer, structure of Golgi apparatus. Why the lysosome called suicidal bag? Due to the cellular matter disturbance in the cellular metabolism. This is your third answer. Okay, lysosome may burst and digest the enzyme of their own cell, and this is why they are called as suicidal bag. Where is the enzyme presence in the lysosome get prepared? It is made by RER, rough endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, so bache, this is all about today's worksheet. I'm sure it is very easy and I'm sure you have understood it very well. So if you really like it, do press the button of like, share and subscribe with your friends. Take care bache, stay safe, stay home, take care.